Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do phone call effect video. I am sorry for last week that I did not upload any videos. My PC did crash. I had to factory reset it. Found out my hard drive actually died, so I have to order another one. But I am on my SSD, so it will work fine until I get that. Let's get going. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to audio. Click on your sound, hit dialogue, and then go down to presets and from telephone. And it is going to be kind of loud. It's too kind of loud. So what you got to do, you got to turn down your clarity to about 5.0, and your EQ, turn that to about 5.0 too. And then turn down your audio level about 7. You can even turn it up if you really need to. Let's go ahead and put it at 5. Okay, that was in Premiere Pro. Let's go over to Sony Vegas. Okay guys, now that we're back in Sony Vegas, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the effect panel right here. Click on that, add, okay, and it's going to bring up this, and you want to hit that drop down menu and then hit phone line, and then you can play it. You can just mess around with the frequency. That sounds pretty good to me. If you like these tutorials, leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace out, guys.